Boom! This is gonna be short and sweet today. It's almost my bedtime. Green 53 bucks, half a bed shit. Half okay with it. Didn't take any big losses like I did yesterday of just a brain fart retarded trade. On the flip side, I watched a few trades go that were kind of brain dead, brain farts. Oh, I'm just gonna watch that money fly in front of my eyes. Overall happy with my stats, but definitely missed a lot. So let's get right into it. Right off open, I had to finish up the coffee. Can't leave one sip in there to get gold. This opening trade I'm happy with. They were flashing a lot of sellers once they cracked them the other way. Got in. Boom, right there. Through 13 with some buyers. I add. Anything sold a little low soon. I saw my order floating there for a second, so I wasn't sure my in and didn't have time to check it. So I kind of just sold for the profit that I had there. Missed out on maybe like 6 more cents, but very happy with that read early on. I was kind of
Yeah, I didn't even
asleep
realize I
today.
accidentally just
Was
bought
really
8,000 shares of that.
really slow on
So
my
I wasn't sure.
reactions. How much was this?
Bitch.
Next one we traded was. I was looking at VVPR here, which I didn't have on my watch list because it in the last what was this 3 minutes before open, it all of a sudden gapped up like crazy. So I took it off my watch list in the morning. And should have kept it on. Hold on. This fucking hair is killing me. Missed the original move. Wanted to see a dip at or around VWAP here. If I were to take a trade on it. This music's a little much. 22 is VWAP. Comes down 16, still coming down. So I'm like, that's lower than I'd like to see it dip below VWAP. I don't add, but I believe this does end up coming back close to green on this candle. And it does. Missed opportunity there, but I didn't really feel comfortable taking that dip with how far it came below VWAP. Realistically, it was still alright.
Why can't I sell?
Probably should have added as it turned, but another thing I realized, I look at the chart and like other shit way too much in comparison to the time that I spend looking at the tape. So that's something I want to see myself do better tomorrow and from now on is spend like 98% of my time watching a stock, just staring at the tape itself. Level 2.
Been working on it.
Surge is doing a little something. Hindsight 2020, I should have stayed on VVPR. It did keep going, I believe. 50s, but it looked crazy on the 5 minutes, so I wanted to come over to it, see if I could take advantage of it. 58 there.
I don't know, I'll sell it there. Give me an extra second. Kept stuff.
Comes right back down. There's the lowest I'd want to see it go, probably right there. 53. It does hold 53. I just kind of want to focus on my actual trades and then the ones that I missed on VVPR mainly. What's this one? Where are we adding late? Thought we might rip a good quick cut since I did add late. Now this thing's... Like, what am I looking over at my 5 minutes for? If I'm watching a stock, then I should be watching the stock, just staring at the tape and not distracted by everything else.
Nice.
Did I not? Oh, I think I took some trades on Surge later on. VVPR. Look at this. I don't know why I was so like groggy this morning. Not an excuse, guy, though. This candle close looked a little interesting. Tried to buy this new candle when I saw some buyers come in. What didn't immediately go, so I cut. Not a great trade there.
Really? Really?
Hmm. Kind of developed
Yeah.
call it FOWL, fear of adding late, because it's something that I've done too much in scenarios where I shouldn't be adding late. So with that newfound fear of doing it too much, I find myself missing some of these trades on ones that are okay to be adding a little bit higher. Surge, I go for a dip here. It tapped pre-market, dipped, held there at 70, added when the buyers came in. This one was giving a little bit more time, so I got rewarded waiting for those buyers to come in. I want to see this go green and rip through pre-market, so when it doesn't, I sell there. Add back when it looks like it, when it holds up and looks like it might go again, and sell when it doesn't. Fine with those trades. Finally decides to randomly there. Add when it prints over because I'm thinking we might go there. And then it's just a weak break through 80, so I instantly sell. Not too upset with those ones.
If I can get in low and just try to hold it, this thing's.
I mean, look at this thing on the 1 minute. It's just going straight up.
Oh, shiz.
Looking for a quick dip. Add there when it holds. I like that. Didn't add late that time. Won't need to see it through 97. That's the usually I'll do a green if it's yesterday's high. I don't know, I'm a little confused. My green bars are the previous day's high or the first day's high. Green light, like I'm thinking it'll go through that. Break even trade there. First candle that doesn't close near the high of the candle after tapping close to that level, just something to keep in mind. Could be a sign that it's on its way down now, but let's see what happens. Looking for a dip in pre-market maybe?
Yeah.
Comes a little lower.
50, right under 50. Ocean. So good.
Set an alert there and come over to VVPR, which this was the stock of the day, I believe. And if I'm not mistaken, that is not something you want to see. The biggest range of the day, I'm right on it. I think I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I was a bed shitter today. Size down a little bit just because I don't have too much confidence on this thing. That would have been a good dip stake probably. Sell in there. Oh. I missed out on. Oh,
Just got a 14. Trying to hold it. Oh shoot.
taps close to 30 there, so now I'm looking to dip in like 10 to 15 area maybe. I like that. And then this time it held 20 right there. Held 20 again, 21. 19 buyers I should add there. Rips over 30. I mean, I could see it that time.
I just got a 29.
That's just, I wasn't locked in enough on the tape there and
Okay.
paying attention.
38.
Could have added that dip when it held there.
Oh shit.
Oh. Fuck.
Okay, 350. Oh, I just missed. Okay. No.
Yuck.
Okay. This is where it should. It feels heavier. Oh, wait.
There. Adding weight. I'm not happy with how I did at all. Added too high that time. You hear me say it, I added
Sounds
high
like
again.
48.
Oh, and they just held it higher. I shit the bed on this, obviously. But Wyatt did not, and he was gracious enough. Thank you, Wyatt, again. He sent me bum his recording. So I think he caught this same trade. Yeah, he had it a little bit later than me. Still caught 5 cents there on 8K shares. What's that? 400 bucks. Yeah, almost 400 bucks there already. Let's see this VPR trade. Oh shit, he added in on this? Yeah, he thing looks like it's going green. Adds there. Continues. Sells when it doesn't break 40. Little 8 cent. 8 cent. I don't mean to skip too much, but I do need to hit the sack soon. I've done a lot of my own review already, but why is his $33? just gotta check something. I feel like I'm tripping. I wasn't watching at that time. I'm brain dead. Alright, let's just watch. Soak 40 there pretty hard. Doesn't go, so he cuts it. Still sitting 40. Man, this thing was... the hell? I should have been on this thing. Earlier on. Need back through 60. Here's 40 again. They soaked it again. Oh, big bid's at 50. That sends it. Bang. What was that? 13 Santa. God damn. Oh my, this thing's looking strong. Yeah, it's there. Quick cut. Oh wow, break even. Adds again. Need it back through 69. Oh. Oh, why is it doing that? What do you get in and out at there? Break even. Oh wow, nice. Got an 81. Oh, 91. That's another 10 center. God damn, he was killing it on this thing. Now we gotta get back over that shoulder. 69. Preferably hold over it. Does he take it through again here? Let's see. They held 59 there. Takes it back through when this candle's going green. Nice. He wasn't lying when he said it was some of his cleaner trading in a little while. Going for the 95 and 4 busta. Let's see, this will be the last move that I show on here. Oh. Hold on, I gotta pay attention. Just keep edging this thing. Sells when it doesn't break 95. Still not going sell. They held it there for a second for him. Boom. Gets out 409. Holy. This motherfucker different. $37 daily. That's that first day level. Adds the dip under 4. Gets out 15. So pull back here for a minute. It's looking like it might go here. A little 1 minute pullback. Nice. 430 and 37 is what we need. New candle's about to open up, and it's this candle's closing up. Oh, baby. Kind of unlucky he got out 29 there, but another nice trade. Damn, I might as well doing tricks on it. Jesus Christ, I better relax. I don't want to show off too much of. I don't want to show too much of his edge decay, all that. But yeah, I'm glad he sent this because makes that shit look easy. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for today. I gotta go to bed, but green 53 shoulda, woulda, coulda been a lot more. Tomorrow I will do better. It's not gonna look like this, and this number won't look like that if the market's right. But yeah, I will see you guys for another Green Day recap.